Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Before you touch the Ford Edge battery, park on level ground, set the parking brake, and remove keys. Modern modules can wake if the key is present. Wear gloves and goggles because automotive batteries contain corrosive acid and hydrogen gas. Open the hood, prop it, and locate the rectangular battery with its plastic cover. Most require a 10 mm socket for the terminal nuts. Always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent shorting. Then remove the positive terminal and set cables aside on insulated surfaces. With both terminals off, remove any plastic cover by unclipping tabs or screws and set it aside. Use a 13 mm socket or wrench to loosen the battery hold-down bolt or clamp. Store that bolt safely for reinstallation. Carefully lift the old 12-volt battery straight up and out of the tray using 2 hands or a strap. Batteries are heavy, typically 30 to 50 pounds. Place the old battery upright on a non-metal surface and avoid tipping to prevent acid spillage. Recycle the old battery at an approved facility. Set the replacement 12-volt battery into the tray with the positive and negative terminals aligned to their original cables. Verify the battery is fully seated. Reinstall the hold-down clamp and snug the bolt with a 13 mm socket. Do not over-tighten. A firm snug is sufficient. Reconnect the positive terminal first, tighten the 10 mm nut, then reconnect the negative terminal and tighten. Start the engine and confirm charging voltage. Check headlights, radio presets, and set the clock. Allow the vehicle to idle for 5 minutes to stabilize system.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.